Most business owners pay themselves completely wrong. When I ask my clients how they take money out of their business and they say to me, oh, well, I just transfer it to my personal account when I need it, this is a massive red flag and they've got no idea what that's doing to the tax bill. Let's go back to having the restaurant again. Let's say that you've got all of the ingredients that you need for your big night of bookings. But before the food gets served to the customer, you go around and you eat a little bit from each of the plates. But by the end of the night, no one's got what they've paid for and you've got some very angry customers. This is exactly what it's like pulling money out of your business without a plan or structure. It gets messy really fast and it's an expensive mistake to make. After doing 100 tax returns, I found the system that works for most small business owners, especially if they're using a limited company. So here's what I recommend. First, you want to pay yourself a small salary, just enough to make use of the tax-free personal allowance and get national insurance credits towards your state pension. Then you want to top up your pay with dividends. These are taxed at much lower rates than salary, so you keep more money in your pocket rather than giving it to the taxman. You can also use a director's loan account to take money out of the business in the short term, which can be really handy if you're waiting on a big invoice to be paid from a customer and you need cash now. It's also a good idea to leave some profit in the company. This will allow you to invest in better tools, staff, or just give you a buffer for emergencies. If I'm honest, there's nothing really fancy about this. It's just about treating your business like a business and paying yourself like a business owner. If you're just taking money out as and when, you're not really in control, you're just reacting. But when you have a proper system, you stay tax efficient, build stability, and remove the last minute money transfer panic from your life. It's the difference between snacking on the food before it goes out versus serving a proper meal you actually planned for.